a baby. I mean, we planned for a baby. We're not trying. It's not like we were trying for years. And we just planned for a baby last month, and we decided let's go for it. So I had my last period. I mean, that's mandated to know on 25th of August, and since then we have been trying. You know what I mean when I say we have been trying. And after 25th, I think the first test that I did was on 5th of September. So uh, basically, I'm a curious person. I know it's too early to do a test, but my curiosity kills me. I think the tension of not knowing the unknown is worse than to do a test and get to know what the result is. So I got a test pregnancy test kit from Apollo. I think this costs around 90 rupees or 99 rupees, something between this range. I find it a bit costly than other products, but I, I, I still purchased it because I didn't have an option at that time. They didn't have any other product. Um, so fifth, basically a zero result. See, you see a pink line. That's a line on the C. That's a line that you see when you're not pregnant. It's a negative one. So, and since it's too early for me to decide, I didn't miss my period. It is showing negative, right? And if you go ahead, I have a bunch of pregnancy tests. This is from Prega News. They cost around 50 rupees. So I didn't want to go to the store again and again to get this, so I got it in a bunch. So I did a test again. So when I say test, this is the urine test that you do. So you have to put few drops in this area, preferably the first sample of the morning, right? That's what you have to put, and it takes around a couple of minutes. Usually, give it a minute or two so that you find the result here. So again, if you see, the result is negative. I don't see any line on the T column. So this was on 7th of September, and I did it on 9th September. If you can see, there is a faint line, right? Since the line was faint, I was not sure. I was again not confident. So the T line, I wanted it to be dark as the C line, or I don't know why I got that thought. So I took another test on 14th. So when so usually HCG, that is the test that we are doing, right? If you look at it, it shows HCG. So this is the test which for a normal non-pregnant women you will have it below 10 percentage. I mean 0.10 or 10 mm lesser than that. But for a pregnant woman, say suppose you are a 2 week pregnant or a 3 week pregnant, it will be more between a range of 500 to 750, right? That's the range you will have. So if you're not pregnant, it will be below 10 mm. And this is again on 9th, it is a no or a faint line. 14th, again I see a faint line. So I again was not sure. And 18th, another faint line but a bit darker. Here at this point, my husband lost his cool and he said, "You are pregnant and stop doing any more tests, or wait until you miss your period." But again, curiosity. And I did another test on um, um, 20th. So this line again got darker. So now I was kind of, you can say I was 50% sure, but I wanted to, I had to miss my period, so I waited until 20, 3rd of September. That's, I have a 27, 28 days of cycle on an average. So I waited till that day, and then I again did another test. This is from Quick Check. This is another brand. I wanted to try another brand and check what will be the result. And on 24th September, I got a result, and the purple line here are darker. So, I mean, the result is positive. So, what I'm trying to say is, if you see a faint line like this one or this one, um, you can be sure that you're 90% pregnant. And in fact, your gut feeling will say you are pregnant, and your hormones will change. I am getting irritated frequently for no reason. I was on the other day, I got irritated at a grocery shop billing person for no reason. He said he didn't have a change, and I said, why are you having a shop when you don't have a change? And my husband trying to calm me, saying like, okay, just relax and don't fight. uh, so I think I'm not a person like that. I'm basically not a person who gets angry on someone on a random basis, not for a change and all. But it is happening. I mean, I myself, I'm realizing that there is a change in the way I speak, or the way I get angry, or for what I get angry. I'm trying to learn. Since this is my first pregnancy, I am trying to learn. Any tips on this, on how to um, manage the hormones, or uh, how to stop being crazy? If you can, if someone can help on that, I will be grateful, I think. And thanks for listening to me. I mean, if